I want to show you this Ilford Sportsman. Gotta take it out. So this is the front condition. One side, the other side, the top, and the bottom. So this is the speeds, focusing, and this aperture. Okay, interesting. Gonna open the back. Unfortunately, the shutter does not open. It does not work. So yeah, really sorry guys. Gonna sell this as it is. If you find it interesting, you can reach out to me. And if you guys find this video interesting, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.